What's going on, guys? It's your realtor on site, Andre Fajardo, and today I'm here to congratulate you on making the decision to buy your new home. Trust me, I know exactly what's on your mind. Credit repair. A lot of people are focused on their credit score. They want to know, what scores am I going to need to get into this new home? How soon can I boost my credit score to prepare myself to buy? Well, let me tell you, if you've got at least a 580 credit score, we can probably find a loan program that's going to work for you. We've even got programs right now that they don't care what your score is. Can you believe that? Our NACA program is a lending opportunity for you where they do not focus on your credit score. So I'm telling you right now, you're not too far away. You made the decision, you did the hard part, and now all you got to do is get yourself with a good realtor and we'll lay the plan out that's going to get you in that new home this year. I've got tons of programs, people that I work with, monthly payments that you can do to repair your credit, one-time upfront satisfaction guarantee. There's tons of options. We could find the road that's gonna work for you. You did the heavy lifting already, deciding that buying a house is what you wanna do. Now let's go ahead and get you in that home. Again, I'm Andre Fajardo, your realtor on site. I look forward to hearing from you guys. You can reach out to me on any of your social media sites. I'm at top5 and agent. Again, Andre Fajardo. I look forward to hearing from you guys. You have a great day.